In the world of athletics, practice prepares you for game day. It's the same for our local emergency planning committee. This past weekend, they had a full-scale hazardous waste exercise up at Ohio University Chillicothe. We caught up with Paul Minney to talk about this event.
Can everybody walk? Anybody injured where you can't walk?
I've got one student on inhaler. She's having a breathing problem.
Okay. We gotta get out of the area as quickly as we can.
I'm Paul Minney, and I'm the emergency manager for Ross County. Today's purpose is so that we know that we are prepared for a tank car leakage, and that the first responders are prepared, and that we know all the avenues that we have to get a hold of people. The scenario is a tank car that was leaking a chemical called Botkin crude oil, and it was out on a rail car going towards Zane Trace School, and they derailed and punctured the tank car. We had 5 students on the bus that was simulating going to a basketball game at Zane Trace. Every 4 years you have to do a full-scale exercise. Our LAPC this year decided that they also wanted to do one. We did one last year. This year they wanted to do another one so that we would be prepared for the next 4 years. It's a 4-year cycle. Well, we have 12 objectives that we have to meet, and on this particular incident that we chose, the local emergency planning committee along with a company designed this exercise for us to exercise our people. The Ohio EPA, we also had advisory from a rail company that showed up and was giving advice on their portion of it. Green Township Fire and EMS, the city hazmat team showed up today. Of course, Ross County EMA and the Ross County Sheriff's Department. OUC provided us the area to work at. We had the Emergency Response Training Center that they allowed us to use today. We have our new medical director, Dr. Goodhue. He is going to be evaluating the squad transport and the hospital itself on how they were prepared and taking care of the patients once they got there. We are prepared, and I have no doubt in my mind we are prepared.